Okay, in Homegoods, you guys, $29.99. I don't think we've seen this. What you call him? A squirrel. You have a cat. I wonder if we're gonna find anything new. It's been a while. Homegoods. A lot of hoses. Glow in the dark. This is kind of cool though. Lamps. Oh, is that like a shelf light? A solar one? That's kind of cool. I've never seen that. This little frog guy is playing the bongos. It is $17. And more pottery. These are cute. This one is $20. 130. Then her light one, she has 80. So I'm just seeing a lot of floral right now in Homegoods. Might just do a lot of scanning. Oh, trying to figure out where to go. Where do I go in here? Look at this bird pillow, that's cute. There's also a lobster one. This one is $12.99. And we have like the lemon, more lobsters. $19.99, 20 cupcake and cashmere. This one with like the pink, $17. And look at this one. That is $15. Okay, we have more of the doggies. Freedom for all. KitchenAid. Farmhouse. You get $8 in here. I mean, these are 8, I'm sorry. They have the cowboy boots, and these are $10. Oh my gosh, this is really cute. This is 10. Look at this frog one. The apron, that is really, really cute. I actually like that a lot. And drying mats to match if you want. And pizza. Look at this coaster one. It comes in a pizza box. $17 and you get a slice. Those are kind of funny. See, this is why the coaster department is so fun to look at, because you never know what you're gonna get. What is that? Cat ice cube? Oh, they're shaped like cats. I thought they were like the bubble ones, you know, you put in the freezer and then you pop out. They're just ice cubes though. They're not the, you know, the shape where you put water in. So they're reusable ice cubes, but they're cat shapes. I guess just be careful if you have children, you know. Salt and pepper shaker, that one's kind of cool. Reis, these are beach towel clips. Oh, I thought these are bag chips. They have them in the food department. That's kind of funny. Ah, look at that large one, right? I do like the large ones, but like I feel like you only bring them out to be fancy. $100. Well, it's the good brand from France. You only have one here. You need 2. It's rechargeable electric salt mill. Oh, it's electric. 100. Here's a small one. The small one's $29.99. So 30. Let me pan in. That's 30. Okay. Okay. Getting fancy with our salt. Oh my gosh, those are cute too. Those remind me of my grandma. My grandma had like ducks everywhere. Salt and pepper shakers. Oh, they're like clear tomatoes. That is different. Looks like this might be avocado or just simple ones. Okay, let's try to find the home decor here. $25. Look at the orange one. Oh my gosh. They have a bird one, the brie one. Is that like a cinnamon roll? They do. These are cute. These are $12.99. And $29.99. Look at this one. The casserole with lid. This is cute. Stoneware. Can't take it off.
I was just seeing at the bottom.
It's like a lobster dish for $12.99. And then we have a watermelon at $15. This is cute. It is dishwasher safe, microwave, stoneware. $7. And then you get the strawberry, 15. So this one might be 15. And the orange one. And then tons of ramekins. That's 17 here. 20. And then we have this one for $29.99. That's 20. Is this a peanut? I find so many odd things here. Let me see. Oh, can you get that? I got it.
Are you sure you got it?
This is $12.99. Look, it's a little peanut. That's funny. It's like a jewelry holder for 8. Oh, these are heavy. These are 8. Toad. These little things to hang. The pearl one. This bear has like no arms. Oh, it's just like hanging out. That type of hangout bear. This is water.
That's weird.
Yeah. I've never seen that, but this will break. Got a melted ice cream cone. Hot dog. Bookends on the lemon. That's a puzzle. So they're $12.99 each. Alright, let's look at the wall over here. Sure nobody's here. This location doesn't have a lot of pottery though. Look at, here's more, and they're the bubbles. And this one's different though. This is 10. These are 25. Normally, you could find these in Burlington by BP, and they're like 12, 14. These are colorful. What is that? Oh, just like a bubble. I was all like, what is that? $15. Just like you could buy 2 of them, 3 of them. Those have like little bubbles, I guess, on your desk. That's really different. What section am I in? Here's the candle department behind me. I have not seen this one. Something smells like cinnamon. Got the hot dog one. Woodland and musk. Okay, a lot of these are citronella candles. Let's go buy wall art, and then I might have to end it. This is kind of cute. It's by Cupcake and Cashmere. $50 on the quilt set. Okay, wall art, 100 right there. The cat trying to get fish, $29.99. 40. Let me pan out. And that's $39.99. That's the same print. Okay. And these are 15, and they're all like the same print. Espresso martini, vodka, short espresso, syrup, coffee beans. Look at that girl. $12.99. Just sitting there. Oh, they have a Sonic one. I don't know how I feel about those. 150. 15. Oh, see, these are the ones I feel like you could use as a tray.
Oh, yeah. Those are neat.
I don't know, that's just what I think. But I think they're all the bird. Oh, no. There's some floral back here.
Oh, windows.
Like a tray, put some resin on it or something, or a little Pyrex glass. Not glass, but like that plastic.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. My dirty martini. Alright. Alright, guys. I think I'm going to have to end the video here. In this location. I know it's kind of a short video, but it's still kind of a tiny home goods. It's connected to TJ Maxx, so it's like really different on their home decor. They don't have a lot like the vases or anything, just what I shared. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next video.